Every time a stranger comes to you and asks for an address, you feel like a big mountain is sitting over your head because he goes like, bro, can you tell me where is this address? And you go like, कन्नड़ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿ तेलुगुलो अडगंडी नहीं मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आता. Some people will not even say this. They will say, go straight, left. They will say some wrong address, and you are learning English from first grade, but still it feels like a big mountain sitting on your head whenever someone asks you to speak something in English or communicate with them in English. And that stranger who asked you for address, he is such an unlucky fellow that he came straight to you and asked you only. He doesn't know that you don't know English. I don't say English is a knowledge. English is a language to exchange some communication. English is such an important language. It's a bridge to cover that gap between you and standard organizations or whatever your academy or your institution that you are studying in. The point behind all this talking is learning a new language is not a rocket science. You can do it because in today's generation there are a lot of AI tools and there are particular apps which are helping in communication. You can do it for free and in online. You just need to maintain streaks. That's right. All you need to do is to watch movies and start speaking, start repeating after them, because whenever you watch a movie you will understand the situation that is going on there. Just because your college professors made you to stand on the stage and give some presentation, English should not become your enemy. It's such a sweet language. I'm not saying Kannada or Telugu or Hindi is not sweet, but I am saying that it can come from your mouth easily, even more than the Kannada or Telugu, whatever. Have you ever listened to a native speaker? They never follow grammar. They break the entire sentence into a single word which is not even having any meaning. See, let me give an example. If you want to say I don't know, they will say I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. What is the meaning? It doesn't contain any meaning, right? But still they speak extremely fast, and there is no need that you need to speak English grammar wise. Start speaking, that is more than enough. If you feel that you are not perfect and stop trying itself, then it's not gonna work. If you feel underconfident for yourself and stop speaking English, then it's not gonna help you. Just don't care about what others say, because they are going to laugh, they are going to mock you, they are going to tease you, but they are never going to help you learn whatever you are trying to, because they will also not learn and they will also not let you learn. Stop thinking about such people who are not even 1% use in your life. Okay, now I feel like somehow I have convinced you people to start speaking in English. Then let me move on to how can we start speaking. There is no need for you to watch any English movie, because you can watch any language movie, just put English subtitles. And I have did this personally. I basically watched so many K-dramas and T-dramas, if you don't know what is T-drama, it is Thai drama. I have watched so many Thai dramas and K-dramas wherein I don't even understand what they are saying. I'll just put some English subtitles and I'll start watching. It becomes difficult in the beginning to cope up with both looking at their expressions and reading the subtitles below. Your eyes goes like, and that is not proper. But I still want you guys to try it, because everything is difficult at beginning. Remember, you didn't even know to walk itself, because back then you started, you stood up, you went some 2 to 3 steps and you fell again, and you stood up and you started walking again in the same way. And that's the spirit we need in learning English, because it will not come by itself. It feels like it's a big deal, and once or twice it feels like our mouth will slip or we start to flutter, and it feels like we are trying a tongue twister. So if you are bored of watching English subtitles, like it feels like a big hassle. If you are not comfortable with that, then I'll suggest you some other tips also. Okay, so there are very interesting and very good podcasts out there. Go to any music app or whatever, start listening to podcasts. Even if you don't understand anything, trust me, the words which you hear will sit in your brain. Even if you don't observe it carefully, your mind or your brain will grasp those words and keep it at some or the other position in your brain, and that will help you in a long term. Let me tell you, I have started watching Korean dramas and Thai dramas, and I have started speaking some of the languages and without even knowing, and I have started speaking in the same slang. They goes like, whenever something bad happens, they goes like, is she here? And I have started telling the same thing whenever I am upset. Yeah, that happens. See, whenever I see any sentence or any drama like that, I keep on observing their lips. They speak so fast that I can't even grasp what they are saying. See, that is the purpose of our sense organs. Whatever you see, you remember. Whatever you listen, you remember. Whatever you speak, you remember. We don't need to be serious every time, and it goes like A for apple, B for bow, C for cat. No, we don't need to. We don't need to start like a LKG, UKG kid, because we are not anymore. Just grab your phone and open any music app and start listening to podcasts. If you think speaking in English is a big deal, then it's gonna be a big deal itself, because you never start trying, thinking of like, what if I fail? What if I speak something wrong? What if I spell? Or what if my tongue slips? See, you are seeing me in an edited video where I cut out all my blah blah blahs. But behind the scenes, do you know how many times my tongue slips? I was going to say days and I said desh. In that hurry or explaining whatever things, because I'm so excited to talk to you people. No, that's why my tongue slips. But that's okay. If you are not afraid of making mistakes, you will learn whatever in this world. What if I do something wrong? What if people mock at me? What if people tease me? If that's the case you are thinking about, then that's not gonna work out, because there is this sentence I say usually: well begin is half done. Before starting this YouTube channel itself, I never thought of starting a channel. I will tell my inspiration to start a YouTube channel because it feels so funny or so silly that I watched a reel on Instagram. It says one person is there, he's holding some kind of box. I don't know what is that, and maybe it's a bottle or a box. I don't know what is that, and he just threw it, and it went some far distance. And he said, go and see, the video is viral. Literally, I went and saw that video had 95 million views. Mind blowing. Then I thought that if people are watching this nonsense thing itself, then they will definitely watch me doing some of the other things which is useful. And I started this YouTube channel. Of course, my first intro video is not so good, but it was enough for me to begin my YouTube channel. And today I am here talking with you guys about whatever topic it is daily. Have you observed all these celebrities and great YouTubers or any content creators or even cinema stars? Some of them don't even have a degree and they don't even know how to speak properly in a grammatical way, but still they speak. Nobody cares. All you have to do is start speaking, because nobody cares, nobody gives a shit. Once you start speaking, it feels like I'm sounding weird. That is okay. That is where your learning process is happening. If your friends are more teasing and more mocking like mine and making fun out of you, then tell them, don't underestimate me. They will laugh again, but that's okay. Let them laugh. Don't take it seriously. Like, when you start speaking in English, they will laugh at you. If you take it to the heart and you feel serious about it, then you are not going to continue it for the rest. Some or the other way, you should start speaking in English, because I'm saying the same word again and again. If it feels boring, then you should understand that it is necessary. Everything in today's world is AI generated, and the technologies are keep improving in a very drastic manner that you need to learn English, because most of the softwares or whatever new models or whatever AM models which are currently into the field all use English as a default language. And if you want to make a better use of them, then you have to know English. There is no other choice for you. And one more thing I want to tell you is, stop converting anything, like any video or any movie you watch in English, to your native language. Your teacher is telling something and you suddenly goes to convert it instantly in your mind to your native language. Then that's not gonna work, because if you start thinking in English, I don't even know how to talk in English, then how can I think in English? If you ask me, then I'm gonna tell you that, like, whatever you do in your everyday life, you wake up in the morning and you'll say yourself that I wake up in the morning. Time is 6:30 or 6 o'clock. Just say that's enough, and you go ahead and brush your teeth. Have a cup of coffee or have a good breakfast. What's for breakfast today? Forget about the pronunciation. These many days, what were you asking for your friend? Hey, nashta en madarle? Hey, chaadag yaka sakrina illele? Try converting that same sentence into English. Like, you go ahead and say, what is for breakfast? in my tea, no sugar. Say something like that. And let me tell you one incident that I love singing, I don't know what I sing, I don't know how I sing, I don't know how I sound itself. I sing whatever I scroll in my video. The entire room is silent and everybody is scrolling through Instagram or doing their particular work or doing anything they want. And I goes like suddenly in between, I goes like, then I suddenly start singing like this. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. My friends are like, bro, what are you doing? It's such a funny thing that every time I sing a song, like I don't even sing it completely, I don't even sing it properly. I sing whatever I know, whatever I scroll through the Instagram, and I keep singing in the bathroom, I keep singing it wherever I go. And in my school, my senior had given me a name called as bathroom singer, and I'm telling you without any shame, because that is how it actually works. Every time you start doing something new, you feel like they're gonna mock you, they're gonna tease you, but trust me, they will not. Because when you reach a certain point of time, first day they will tease you, the second day they will tease you, third day they will third day they will third day they will tease you. This is what actually happens with me. I also slip many times because I'm also not a perfect speaker, because I'm also a learner still. Sometimes it feels like how dumb I am. I'm also still learning to speak in English, but I'm not gonna stop trying. And I also want you guys to start speaking in English and don't stop. Whatever your friends say, ignore them. Just ignore them. See how many things you have ignored like that. That day you and your friend went to have some coffee and she or he paid for you. You forgot that he had paid for you and you have to give it back. Right? I think I'm going a bit off topic, but this is the reality. Let me tell you one more thing. I think all of us have did this at least once in our life, that we will go to some particular stationery shop and we will buy that one book which is like glowing to our eyes, and it says learn English in 30 days. 30 ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕಲಿಯಿರಿ. Yes, I know. At least once in a lifetime we have bought such kind of book, and I have also bought that book, and I didn't really learn anything because I was looking at that book. I practiced for one day, and the second day I don't know where the book is. At least it shows that we wanted to learn English back then. But today we are afraid of what if that happens, what if this happens. Stop that and start speaking in English. Because I have watched many celebrities or big stars looking so damn confident but still speaking wrong. That amount of confidence you need, because if they have that much confidence, means they've already crossed that line and they stopped learning it from scratch. They just started speaking. See, learning English and speaking English are completely two different things. You don't need to be grammatically perfect. You don't need to be grammatically perfect for sounding like a professional or a native English speaker. All you need to do is just to have the knowledge of basic English words: give, take, is, the, or, and, like basic articles, vowels, consonants. And by now we already have our own dictionary which is in our brain, like what to use for what thing. The main purpose of learning English is not to show off. It is just to overcome any kind of situations or any kind of problems which are in English. Like if you are going to a restaurant and they have the whole menu in English, at least you should be knowing to say, excuse me sir, I want one biryani, one kebab, one salad, vegetable salad, and one mojito. That's it. That is the purpose of learning English. We are not like those big stars who are going on stage and giving their journey experience or introduction or anything, right? We just need to solve our problems in everyday life, and for that we have to know basic English, and that is what we are trying to learn here. So the summary of the whole video is start speaking in English, even if it is wrong, even if it is incomplete, even if it is butler English, also start speaking. See, everything is cringe until it's your turn. If your friend started speaking in English, you will feel like, what is this dude even doing? Hey, he's speaking wrong. You feel like that. But when it comes to you, you start speaking in English, you feel like, okay, this is what he was experiencing. And that is what is necessary for you to understand. So learn English and let your friends learn English. Don't tease them and don't make them feel low, because you are the only ones who need to encourage your friends to do anything or learn any new thing. And you should not be like discouraging them or demotivating them, right? I'm starting this channel with very simple things because those are the ones which are necessary for us. I found fun in talking with you guys, and I hope you guys found the same thing in me. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Comment below what is that one word you feel very frustrating whenever you start pronouncing it. And let us help each other in the comment section. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.